Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Yoast SEO for affiliate link best practices step by step clearly. To configure Yoast SEO for affiliate link best practices, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Yoast SEO plugin in the sidebar. Click on General Settings within the Yoast SEO menu. Under the Features tab, ensure that the Redirects option is enabled. Next, go to the Search Appearance tab. In the Content Types section, ensure that your posts and pages are set to index, which allows search engines to find them. Now, focus on the Taxonomy section. If you're using categories or tags for affiliate posts, set them to index if relevant for SEO. Next, head to the General Settings tab in Yoast SEO. Locate the Miscellaneous section and check the options for breadcrumbs to enhance navigation for users and search engines. To improve your affiliate link management, navigate to Advanced Settings in Yoast SEO. Ensure that the option for nofollow links is set for any links that you don't want to pass SEO value. Go back to your post editor and enter an affiliate link in your content. Select the link and click the link options. Check the box for Open Link in a new tab to keep users on your page. Add a nofollow attribute here if it's an affiliate link, ensuring compliance with SEO best practices. Feel free to use the internal linking feature by connecting to relevant content on your site. After configuring your links, utilize Yoast SEO's readability analysis to optimize your content for better user engagement. Pay attention to the SEO analysis section for keyword optimization related to your affiliate products. Make sure to include your primary keyword within the title, headings, and first paragraph. Finally, save your settings and publish your content. Review your page to ensure that all settings are correctly applied and your affiliate links are well structured. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Yoast SEO for affiliate link best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.